Hi guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Noise Shorts X5 Charge, and these are true wireless earphones with a charging case that actually doubles up as a power bank. So let's look at the box right now. You can see that it has Bluetooth version 5.0 right here. It also hosts a IPX5 waterproof rating, but we'd not want to call it waterproof since we don't encourage that you dunk these into water. It's more like sweat proof and water resistant. It also has a 2200 mAh charging case, which is what enables it to become a power bank. So now let's turn it around. Here you can see a few extra specifications. You again see that it has Bluetooth version 5.0. You can see the dimensions of the charging case, the earbud dimensions, and the weight of the earphones, which is actually 5.3 grams per earbud, which is not that heavy. But the real weight is in the charging case itself, which is a whopping 98 grams. So that is quite substantial. Also, here you see there's a wireless working range of 10 meters, which is equivalent to 33 feet. And the speaker frequency here is 100 hertz to 10 kilohertz, which is also 10,000 hertz. But there is some disparity when it comes to the specs on the back of this box and what's mentioned on the website. On the website, Noise mentions that these earphones have a frequency range from up to 100 hertz to 4 kilohertz, not 10 kilohertz. Also, here you can see that the earbud battery size is 60 mAh into 2, and each earbud takes around 1.5 hours to charge, so that makes it a total of around 3 hours, which is not bad. The charging case, as we mentioned before, has a battery capacity of 2200 mAh, and the box mentions that the battery life is 3 to 4 hours, while the website mentions 5 hours, and the standby time is 180 hours. So now let's get right into opening up this box and checking out what's on the inside. So we're going to just slide this out. It comes off quite easily. And here already you can see the contents of the box. You can see the charging case and the earbuds in this little enclosure. It's a plastic enclosure with a foam at the bottom, which holds the charging case and the earbuds. Let's set this aside for a moment and look at what we have inside. So we'll open this up, and the first thing you see is a bunch of documentation in here. So this is the user manual. You can read how to use the earbuds in here. Let's set this aside, and that's it for this. You also have a thank you note from Noise for buying their product. Let's set this aside too. And here you have a few extra silicone tips, we're guessing. So we're going to open these up. There we go. And you have the large and the small size buds in here, and the mediums must be fitted on the earphones itself. So there you go. You have a choice of ear tips if you have different sized ears. And here you have a micro USB charging cable. So one end is a micro USB which connects into the charging case, and the other end is a Type A. Let's check out how long this cable is. So if you can see, it's pretty sizable but not too long. So they could have made it a bit longer. Let's set this aside as well and look at the charging case finally. So now we're going to extract this from its little cavity and also pull these out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.